Hello, it's been a long time since I didn't post anything anymore, and now I want to come with an update. Below, I will leave you the link to the last uploaded video, and here are the results. So let's begin to look at them. My last video was uploaded on the 6th of March. We were back then at this point. We were at the beginning of a new cycle. It was already clear that an upward channel is getting built. Um, we saw the price wanted to push higher, but it still needed time. We saw, okay, this is a new slide because I didn't upload this anymore, but I was following just a little bit in the background. This was on the 12th of March, um, but it still wasn't the end of the upward movement. So we still would have needed to wait at that point because at this point, the price still went down a little bit. So we would have needed to have a margin for around, let me see, if we had entered the price at 190.43, the price went down to 189.7. So we would have needed a margin of 100, around 40 pips to get later 550 pips. But you see, even if the price was staying pretty much in range for 2 days, it was no clear direction, that indication that the price movement would inverse. So we still needed to wait. Here it was going very, very slowly down. So there was still no indication that the price movement has changed. Um, Actually, here it could have been a problem because here you could have said, okay, it's already the third day since I am waiting for the price to go up, and it didn't. So what I was expecting was to go here, but he needed 3 more days to go the same direction, but this false breakdown happened. Guys, this happens a lot. False breakthroughs. You have to be prepared for that and not fall in. So this was the chart from the 12th of March. Then on the 13th, you see here down 13th of March, after he went up, he went a little bit down again. Here you could have thought that it's still in consolidation. It wasn't the same fake down as here. But even here you could regard it as, yeah, a testing of the downward channel. And here first it seemed not to held, so this would have been a false break. And then the price returned very fast. And latest here we could have seen we are on the right side if we go up. Here I have put my point again to show you when I first said that the price for this pair goes up. Yeah, it was a little bit of waiting, but then you can see yesterday the price hit 195.9. So it reached the calculated um, upper line of the upward channel, and I have calculated a risk reward ratio of 1 to 4 and a break even of 19.91, which is pretty good. If you want to see more videos and follow my thoughts, then please subscribe. I will post them first in the stories and then also a video. If I don't have time to make a video, I just have the shorts for a while and then the video will also come. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Bye.